Hi there. So today I just want to go over a few minutes on the most common cause of pain in the big toe joint. So that's this joint right here. Standardly, when we walk, as we go forward, the big toe joint will bend like that, usually somewhere around 60 to 90 degrees, and we come off the ground. Now, some people, when they walk, they roll in this way too much. And as they roll in, the ground, you can see, pushes up under that big toe joint. When that occurs, that pressure from the ground causes a jamming in that big toe joint. So as you go forward, you can't get that full range of motion. If you can't get that full range of motion, all that force that was going to moving the foot like this starts going to jamming these two bones together, and you can get a huge amount of compression in that joint, leading to pain in that joint. That condition is called hallux limitus. Hallux means big toe, limitus simply means a limited range of motion. Now, over time, hallux limitus can lead to so much compression in the joint that it causes arthritis, or in some feet, all that force ends up going like this and it causes a bunion deformity. And you can find much more information on both arthritis of the big toe joint and bunions on our website. Today, I just want to go over a little bit about the main cause of the pain in that joint. Now, often the pain will occur before there's any damage to the joint. So anybody who does have pain in the big toe joint should try and treat it right away. I'd recommend seeing a podiatrist who specializes in orthotics and biomechanics and let them take a look at that joint. If you want to try and treat this yourself, what you want to do is try and stop this foot from rolling inwards so much. And you can do that a couple ways. You can use a good stable shoe that's firm on the heel and doesn't twist so much, so it helps prevent the foot from rolling inward. Okay? You can use a high quality over-the-counter arch support inside your shoe. This also prevents that foot from going inward and takes the force off of that joint, allowing better motion as you walk forward. You can find a selection of what we think are the best over-the-counter orthotics for this problem on our website. Just do a search for over-the-counter orthotics for bunions or over-the-counter orthotics for big toe joint pain. And then finally, if that's not enough, you can get a custom orthotic. This one will conform closer to the arch of the foot, so it does a better job of freeing up the motion in that joint. Now, these are pretty big orthotics. You can also get small ones that fit into dress shoes. Again, so basically, if you have pain in the big toe joint, you really should get that treated. That's a sign that there's damage occurring to the joint. Again, go see a podiatrist that specializes in this. In the short term, though, treat it by getting into a more stable shoe and using a decent arch support in your shoes. And again, if you go to our website, you can find information on all of that.